Hey guys, Dalton here. Today we're going to show you how to change the taillights on a 96 F350. We got some DOT approved taillights. Here's the left one. On the bottom you can see the L. And to change them, you have two screws right here on the left side on the exterior, and you have two screws on the interior. Okay, now with those four screws out, you're going to take out your reverse light bulb. You're going to take out your brake light bulb. Out with the old, in with the new. Reverse light goes right here. Twist it. Brake light goes right there. Place that in there. Now we're going to start with the interior screws first. And you're done with the driver's side. The passenger side, you're going to do the exact same thing as the driver's side. And for the sake of the video, we'll show you the final product. Hey guys, welcome back. Earlier we showed you how to replace taillights on a 96 F350, and now we're going to show you how to install Onzo Halo series headlights. What you want to do first is plug in your blinker bulb at the bottom left hand corner right here. Twist until you hear a click. You're going to plug in the LEDs, the blue and black wire to the yellow bulb, the red and black wires to the other yellow bulb casing. You're going to slide back until the rubber casings are in the rubber grommet, just like that. And you're going to put these clips, lift this casing up, and you're going to put them right there on that black housing right there. Now for the other side, you're going to duplicate the same process as you did over there. Blinker bulb, bottom right hand corner. You're going to attach the red and black cord, LED. There. Blue and black to the other yellow housing. Push the wires back. And slide until you hear it click into place, just like that. If you have the housing back in place, there's one clip there and one clip there. Put that on, and then replace the engine seal. And then while we're at it, we're going to replace it with a black powder coated grill. And to install that, there's just four simple screws, Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll speed up the process and catch you up with you when we're done. And this is all bright.
back, blinkers. Super good. You can see with these Onzos, has the single halo here, 2 bars, and then 3 lights on the side as well. This is your blinker, your headlight, and your brights. Thanks for watching, guys. Some cheap upgrades on the 96 F350. Stay tuned for our next truck, which you guys will see very shortly.
We'll see you in the next video. I'm not ready yet.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this in the video.
100,000 subs, just like that, huh?
Yeah. Hello, car. Alright.
Oh, I'm not ready.
He wasn't ready.